The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It's match day 19. We're back to a premiership for the season. Got 2025-2026. And Orlando Pirates have just collected 3 points against Polokwane City, completing a double over the Polokwane-based side. Now, Mr. So, size kulo mdlalo wanamhlanje Orlando Pirates on top of the log. Namhlanje sakuthi on top of the log. So what's happening?
I think ngibulise kuqala Shin Mr. Ke ukunjani Ngibulise wena mfethu ngibulise uStizi ngibulise chairman my chairman ngibulise uBobo Khadoso nomhlekazi omhle
So
ngasukubhubha ngecawa
legend kwenzakalani so umqolo wakho kwenzakala
nginibulisa la emakhaya ngicela support njalo like Disc TV zobe nje benjalo kujiki futhi ku heavy man like me man la mahlombe Shane I don't like when it's like this man Shane
Bobo
Eish.
how's apha mfethu
Ay, no man. Nah.
how's apha Mr. So I think there's something uthi kwenzakalani Mr. So kwenzakalani
Kweheavy la yazi kuphatha ibheke le ama point angaka it's not good.
Wapha ama point.
Ngizoba ne-spinal cord problem.
Ngibone ngathi bongahlalisekanga
Ngizoba ne-spinal cord problem. Angifuna uba ne-problem e-spinal cord man Shane.
that time when Polokwane City equalized in the 85th minute you almost fainted like couch.
Shane, let me start by saying well done to Coach Wadu.
Yeah.
Well done to the boys. Well done to the supporters, to Aspect. Well done to Dr. Vin Koza and the sons and the man behind. He knows himself and everyone at Orlando Pirates. It was very important for Pirates to get these 3 points, Shane. I nearly called my wife to get my tablets now because I can feel the pressure in my heart, and that's not a good thing, Shane. Shane, this is a time where it separates boys from the men, and what frustrated me at that time, Shane, is that we created chances, not half chances. Chances of 1v1.
Clear-cut chances.
Shane, so it's sometimes they don't understand. I know these boys that they don't do it with purpose.
Yeah.
Everyone that goes there wants to score.
Yeah.
It's just that sometimes you just need to give yourself those 1 or 2 seconds, to think quickly in 1 or 2 seconds. They'll make a difference. They played well. Scored a beautiful goal, King of 2000. Yeah. Beautiful. And then we're leading. We created a lot of chances, Shane. Yeah. I think this season, this is a game where Pirates have created a lot. Like, sometimes Pirates, they do create chances, Shane.
Yeah.
That it's half a chance there, half a chance there, there may be a pass. No. Today it was, I think I'm a 1v1. Umuremi, Ulonduzana, Mahopa, Mbutuma,
Tito as well, even though he scored. Yeah.
Look, this when you get these goals, 4 of them in.
So there was a moment Umuremi when he came on. I think
First touch.
He spent about a minute on the field,
Yes,
and then he had
first
2
touch,
chances and he didn't convert even one.
Yeah, it's frustrating when I Shane, but you need to understand, and I just being calm after we get the second goal from Utito that I even said Velek Fanele, he should be there to score that goal because of he missed. And I know the boys, they've got pressure, Shane. It's not an easy game to play, especially knowing that Sundowns are also playing, and if Sundowns they win, if we lose here, we are in trouble. So I feel for the boys. It's just that Shane, we are spoiled, and the people that make us to be spoiled are the very same players. They made us spoiled that we know they're gonna win. People gonna see it, know they're gonna win. So we watching the game here, I'm spoiled that it should be a very easy game for Orlando Pirates. Yes, I would say it was an easy game, because looking at the chances that we've created, it was a matter of putting that ball in the net. And yeah, it was a really frustrating shit, I'm not going to lie to you.
So, andifuna usithethe kakhulu ngalo mdlalo sakhange simention one player who I think gave his all namhlanje. Yeah, I saw ukuthi Apollos was the man of the match, but Andre de Jong.
Look, De Jong, I think he played very well. He had a very good understanding with Apolise, no Lontuzana, no Mbata, no Mfukeng. He lost a bit of connection with Umahopa there in that final third. And I think that's one thing that they should work on between him and Umahopa. But the rest, look, he controls the ball, he gets in good areas, he had good touches, he tried to cross the ball first half, for that touch. For me, I think the coach was supposed to give him more minutes, maybe take him out, maybe the last 10 minutes. But he played very well. For me, after he played some couple of games, to see him play against a team that was playing a low block, but he managed to find those spaces to play. For me, that was very good enough. Good enough, Shane. Good enough.
The sub, Ka Ozun, I know he got man of the match namhlanje, but
Yeah.
I think after a couple of subs, the team, especially after Sikabo Gora,
Yeah.
ingathi baye badropa kancinci so, and ingathi iba into ethanda uba habit kubo ukuthi once they score, they tend to ukuthi bahlise kancinci, because if you remember against Chiefs over the weekend, they scored the first goal, then they got the second one, and then they dropped up until they scored igoal kaMakgopa. Into ebonakala ngathi iyathanda ukwenza ukuthi once they score bayathanda ukuthi bahlise.
Shani, it's I'm not defending the players, but I'll be with them. Sometimes, right now, Shane, I'm telling you, it's something that it's in me now. I'm telling you, these boys, they're feeling the heat. They're feeling the pressure that they are toe-to-toe with Mamelodi Sundowns. And after so many years, that Pirates are sitting on top, same points with Sundowns, but with goal difference, of which that says a lot to them, because it never happened. It never happened. Sundowns, they can be same points with Pirates, but when you look at the goal difference, you'll find that Sundowns have got 10 goals up there. So it's always, hard for them. But Shane, let me say to these boys now, boys, the pressure has started. You must know that each and every game that you're going to play now is a cup final. We're not playing for a 3-point. We're playing for a cup final. This is a cup final. Know that when you go now to each and every game that it's coming now, you need to go and die in that game.
And the Gauchongi games, so there's 11 games as Shegleyo.
Yeah.
6 of those Zawdlala at the arena, and they still have to play 5 more away games. Coach Wadu and your players, when you look at those games, so you need to make sure about your home games and also your away games, because you're playing a team that rarely loses points at this stage of the season. Pressure ingakanani so Orlando Pirates ngoku.
Shane, one that I will tell you now is that there's one game that will make a difference for Orlando Pirates. That was going to be a derby.
Or the game on the 25th of April.
Yeah,
against Chiefs.
that's the game that's also is going to be a very crucial game for Orlando Pirates, because these other teams, I don't disrespect them, I don't undermine them, but Sundowns is showing that you give me these other teams, I hit them. I hit, no doubt, they go for the kill. So some applies to Orlando Pirates. They need to make sure that you give us anyone, we need to go for the kill and hammer. And they need to make sure that, Shane, when you create have a chance, make it to be a full chance.
Yeah.
So that they can count. Because the more Sundowns win, Pirates they win, the goal differences, they will come to the party. So that means that, like tonight, out of all these 13 chances that they've created, at least put 7 in. Yeah. At least put 7 in. Then it make it even no. I know that points they also count,
Yeah.
but the goal difference it makes a huge because now even Sundowns they'll be also feeling the pressure to say, "Yo, guys," because if you continue winning and Paris winning, definitely they're going to win the league because of the good looking at the goals. Now they'll start to feel the heat, the Sundowns. But now the people that are feeling the heat, it's us. We're feeling the heat that it never happened that we are equal, especially at this time of the league. At this time of the league, we are same points with Mamelodi Sundowns. It never happened. At this time, Sundowns, they are maybe 10 points ahead or 12 points ahead. Automatically, the league is theirs. But now we turn things around now. So I'm saying to the coach and the players, guys, you spoiled us. You put us in this position. Unfortunately, we can't allow to leave you guys.
Maintain
we need
it.
to put pressure on you to say, it's easy to rise. It's not easy to maintain. So now, let's not use our heart to think. Let's use our brains to think so that we can win the league.
Mr. So, thank you so much. That's Benedict Tso Vilakazi, Orlando Pirates all-time leading goal scorer, former Bafana International, also played in Denmark. Akhomdo ngamaziyo eSouth Africa. That's Benedict Tso Vilakazi. Sibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo we-Orlando Pirates. Nalapho ke Orlando Pirates siyaziqokelela khona ke 3 points against iPolokwane City. So Orlando Pirates 2, Polokwane City 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me Tso. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.